So, what I want to talk about today is being able to automate your DMs or your messages for Instagram. So, what I'm doing is I'm using a tool called ManyChat. And ManyChat does have a free trial where you can come in here and you can do your automation for your direct messaging for Instagram. So I went to ManyChat. I signed up for the free marketing. I did have to go into my Instagram and approve of ManyChat to be able to talk to my Instagram account. So here you'll see I'm a couple of stages ahead, but I just let you guys know what I've already gone through. I didn't want to go any further without being able to show you guys how to do this. So how you use your ManyChat, I'm going to say for myself because it's going to be for my own personal business. And I do want to say also, guys, that for Instagram, you will need to have a business account. So it will ask you if you want to convert your account over to a business account if you don't already have one. And you can go ahead and just follow the prompts and the steps to do that. It's really simple and it'll walk you through it. Once that's been approved, it should be approved pretty much instantly. Then you'll be able to sign up with ManyChat. So here we are right here, which category best describes this business. And it's a professional service or education or coaching. So we'll go with that. And for me personally, I'm going to do bookings, drive my traffic, provide customer support. Pretty much all of these things that I'm seeing here, I'm going to go ahead and click them all. So I'm going to get the max of what I can do. Then you can just go in here and click whatever is useful for your business. All right. So now we are officially connected to Instagram. So we can go in here and we can go into when someone DMs you with a specific word or words. Now, I just had an Empath bundle come out. And I want I want the word to be empath as the trigger word. So now what I want to do is from here, so I wrote the word empath in here and then I hit the word next. So the automatic message once someone puts empath in there will be message 1, the immediate response. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take this information right here. And we're going to go ahead and copy it. And we're going to go ahead and make a couple adjustments here. Really quick. And you can go ahead and make your adjustments right here on the screen. So if you have anything that you want to go ahead and correct, make sure that all your links are correct. Make sure all of your information is correct as well. And then we're going to go ahead and add a button right here that says Empath. And The link is going to be this right here. You're just going to copy it and come back in here, paste, and again, this is called Empath. We're going to save that, and then we're going to hit next. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a pro tip. We are going to try this for free, obviously. Alright, we should be good to go. So this is the next setup that we have. And you can ask for them to follow you on Instagram as well. And so now what we also can do is hit go live. So the first automation is live. So congratulations, you just built your first automation. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I hope this information was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, you may join us on Facebook at Neon Legacy or Neon Income AI, as well as Instagram on all channels. So appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much. I hope you have an awesome day.